Well, UPS just walked up with the V8 Toyan today here in America, in Minnesota. And this is the first opening of the box. First of all, it came with a nice little gift from Mona. And then the usual wooden box. And then all the levels of parts for this V8 engine. So here's the engine block, all the fitted piston rings, and underneath we have these center bearings for the crankshaft, and they're located over here, and they're split, and they have this little attachment clamp to secure them. Two camshafts, all the accessories for that, lifters, and all the screws and the hardware, sealant rings, and pre-made carbs to them. The crankshaft, of course, 8 pistons, starting engine, motor, and this is the air filter, intake, manifold, and a flywheel, starter wheel over here, and then these are the head covers and some tools in the front. It's really going to be fun to build this one, just like the L400. It's a really joy to sit down and relax and build those engines. And maybe I'll just wait and see what happens with the blower and if there are any other updates. So it'll be a few weeks or months, maybe, perhaps, if I can wait that long to start this one. Waiting for the FL4 175 as well, hopefully come next week.